ஹாய் வியூவர்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு மை சேனல். இன்னைக்கு நம்ம வீடியோவில் என்ன பார்க்குறோம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, டாக்டர் ஏபிஜே அப்துல் கலாம் ஐயாவை பற்றி தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். இந்த வீடியோ ரொம்ப மோட்டிவேஷனாக இருக்கும். அதனால ஸ்கிப் பண்ணாமல் கடைசி வரைக்கும் வீடியோ பாருங்கள். வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ளே போயிடலாம். இந்த வீடியோ எப்படி பேச போகிறோம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, இங்கிலீஷில் தான் பேச போகிறேன். எஸ் ஐயா. ஓகேவா கைஸ், வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ளே போயிடலாம். டாக்டர் ஏபிஜே அப்துல் கலாம் இஸ் a famous name in the world. She is counted among the greatest scientists of the 21st century. Even more, she became the 11th Prime Minister of India and served his country. She was the most valuable person of his country. The country has contributed the scientist and the president is beyond compare. Apart from that, his contribution to the ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, is remarkable. He headed many projects that contributed the society. Also, he was the one who helped in the development of Agni and Prithvi missiles. For his involvement in the nuclear power in India, she was known as Missile Man of India. And due to his contribution to the India, the government awarded him with the highest civilian award. Career and contribution of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was born in Tamil Nadu. At the time, the fictional condition of his family was poor. So, from an early age, he started supporting his family fictionally. But he never gave up education. Along with supporting his family, she continued his studies and completed graduation. Above all, she was a member of the Pokhran nuclear test conducted in 1998. There is a countless contribution of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam to the country, but he was most famous for his great contribution, that is the development of missiles that goes from the name Agni and Prithvi. Prithvi. President period. The great missile man becomes the president of India in 2002. During his presidency period, the army and country achieved many milestones that contributed a lot of the nation. She served the nation with an open heart. That why he was called people president. But at the end of the term period, she was satisfied with his work. That why he wanted to be the president a second time, but later or forfeited his name. Post presidency period. After leaving the presidency office at the end of his term, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam again turned to his old passion, which is teaching students. He worked for many renowned and prestigious institutes of India located across the country. Above all, according to the youth of the country is very talented but need the opportunity to prove his worth. That why he supported them in their every good deed. Awards and honors. During his lifetime, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was not only awarded and honored by Indian organizations and commits, but also many international organizations and commits writing and character. During his lifetime, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam wrote many books, but his most notable book was India 2020, which have an action plan to make in superpower. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a man of simplicity and integrity. She was busy at home, that he rises up early in the morning and he work till late hours after midnight. Death of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He died during delivering a lecture to students in Shillong. by sudden cardiac arrest in 2015. She was an outstanding scientist and pioneer engineer who served his entire life for the nation, died while serving it. The man had the vision to make India as a great country, and according to his, the youth are the real assets of the country. Why we should inspire and motivate them. Essay topics famous leaders Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Jawaharlal Nehru, Shavi Venkatramana, Mother Teresa, Rabindranath Tagore, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose, Abraham Lincoln, Martin Luther King. ஸோ இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் காய்ஸ். இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். முக்கியமான சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், பெல் ஐக்கனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங் மக்களே.